We can all relate to having puffy, swollen or tired eyes, right? Puffy eyes are a big concern, and Dermalogica has combined science and technology to provide you with a solution. Dermalogica's Awaken Peptide Eye Gel utilises powerful firming peptides and plant-derived technology to reduce the appearance of puffiness and fine lines. This weightless, hydrating, depuffing eye gel firms, smooths and gives your eyes an energised appearance. It's suitable for all skin types. There are many reasons that cause puffy and tired-looking eyes. Lack of sleep, allergies, our diet and lifestyle, the environment around us, and our screen time. Given the different causes for puffiness, there are a number of active ingredients that have been used. Palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7, diosmin, and forskolin get deep into the skin and help minimise the appearance of the puffiness around your eye area. Rosemary leaf extract and chrysin is a smoothing peptide, and this powerful blend is a multitasker. It improves resilience and radiance, plus rehydrates the skin. Succinic acid actively supports a more radiant appearance and helps to minimise the appearance of skin tiredness, demonstrated through lines and wrinkles. Apple fruit extract is derived from apples with humectant properties, so it attracts atmospheric water vapour and absorbs into the skin's surface. Additionally, this active creates a protective film that delivers long-lasting hydration to the skin's top layers. And caffeine helps neutralise free radicals that can worsen eye puffiness. After 10 minutes, you will notice a reduction in the puffiness and wrinkles, and with consistent use, you will notice a significant reduction over time. To learn more about the Awaken Peptide Eye Gel, click on the link, and if you need any advice as to which eye treatment is best for you, please visit our website and click on advice.